welcome to another episode of the Simple Matrix. If today happens to be your first time, I will plead with you to comment, follow, like, and share so that others will benefit from this that we do. I'm your usual host, Iman Sabwaje. What do I have for you today? This is basic mathematics, subtraction in base 10. But I have discovered a new way of doing this thing. Let's see how it works. You will love it, I bet you. Now, back in primary or JHS or any other level, when you're subtracting this from this is what you do. We say that no, this one is bigger than this, so you cannot subtract it from that, so go and borrow. So you come and borrow from here, you'll be left with 7. And this will become 13. This from this will give us 6. Now I have 4 here and I have 7 here. 4 from 7 will give us 3. And then I'm going to say that this is bigger than this, so you cannot subtract. No, borrow from here. We come and borrow here, we'll be left with 8. It will become 14. And then 5 from 14 will give us 9. Now we have 8 here, and then we have 5 here. 5 from 8 will give us 3. And that is the correct answer. Now, what I want to clear is this. We have been restricted that because the numbers here are bigger than this, we cannot subtract. And that is the new upgrade that I'm bringing on board. This is the discovery that I've made this afternoon when I was trying some few computations. So I came across, let's use the same number. I have 9 here, 4 here, 8 here, and then 3 here. Minus 7, 4, 5, and then 5 here, minus. Now pay attention to the principle. The principle is saying that, yes, I have 3 minus 7. So subtract 7 from 3. That will give us negative 4. So let's see, I'm going to have my negative 4 here, so I'll put the negative at the top here. Because this 3 was smaller than this, reduce this 1 by 1. Here is 8, I'm going to reduce this by 1 to give me 7. Now I'll go again. I have 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 will give us 3. That is a positive number. We move on to the next place, that is place of 100, and then, so I'm going to subtract this from this. This is bigger than this, we will still subtract. So we are subtracting 5 from 4, and that will give us negative 1. This is how I write my negative 1. I'll bring the negative at the top. Because this was smaller than this, I'll reduce this 1 by 1. So I'm going to reduce this 1 by 1, and that will give us 8. Now have 8 minus 5, that will give me 3. Now let us finalize our result. Because you're working in base 10, I'll then come here and add 10 to all the numbers that have